Alright guys, I'm going to show you. They all know that I'm about to feed them. Got some pellets right here. So let's watch. Oz definitely always eats first. When he backs out, they kind of let the chocolates eat. Severium kind of holds out. Doesn't do too much till the bigger boys eat. Which I'm surprised, to be honest. And then the Heckleye, he's just doing fine in the tank. I'm surprised, to be honest. I mean, I thought he would be okay, but I didn't know he'd be doing this well. I mean, he hasn't been hiding or anything. He's been pretty good. It's a good shot of the Sev, kind of. I wish you guys could see the blue on him more. It's just hard to get. Silver Dollars walk, kind of hide in the corner. Big Oz. So that's kind of a little bit of feeding time. They usually eat much more, but since I'm here with the camera, they want to all be shy and pose for the camera. Over there. Alright guys. See ya.